Here are step-by-step instructions for installing Windows Sandbox on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type optional features.exe and press Enter. Scroll down and find Windows Sandbox in the list. Check the box next to Windows Sandbox to enable it. Click OK and wait for Windows to apply the changes. And click Restart. Once your computer has restarted, click the Start menu. Type Windows Sandbox in the search bar and select the Windows Sandbox app. The Windows Sandbox will open as a separate window, providing you with a clean and isolated environment. You have now successfully installed and launched Windows Sandbox on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. You can use it to safely run potentially untrusted software or perform other testing activities without affecting your main operating system. Remember that any changes made within the Windows Sandbox will be discarded when you close it. Thank you for watching this video. If you helpful this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.